Hello friends, welcome to Trending Telecast. First of all, wish you a very happy International Astronomy Day. So let's start with today's news. First, we will update you with the current news about coronavirus in India. As we know, the lockdown 3.0 will not be as restrictive as its previous versions. As per the MHA statement, the strictness of the extended lockdown will depend on the level of COVID-19 outbreak in the respective districts. The green zones are the districts with either zero confirmed cases till date, or no confirmed case in the last 21 days. The red zones are classified on the basis of the total number of active cases, doubling rate of confirmed cases, the extent of testing and surveillance feedback from the districts. Those districts which are neither defined as red nor green are classified as orange zones. The 733 districts of India will be broadly divided into red zones, orange zones and green zones. The zone classification will determine the kind of restrictions placed on the movement of people and supply of goods in a district. This zone classification is dynamic and will be revised every week. The story will be updated to reflect the latest classification of districts according to the central government. The current list is for the week of May 4th onwards. There is a good news that no new case of COVID-19 is found in Kerala. On Friday, after witnessing a slight spurt in the past few days, as the hotspots jumped to 80. No new cases were reported on Friday and samples of 9 people have returned negative. The active cases in the state touched 102, State Health Minister K.K. Shailaja said. Next news is about 2 doctors, who were returning home after completing their duty, were allegedly attacked in Andhra Pradesh's Vijayawada on Friday night. And also 4 men, in an inebriated condition, attacked the 2 junior doctors on the same night in Vijayawada. Now some weather forecast. The weathermen have forecast that a cyclonic storm is likely to form in the Bay of Bengal and make landfall in Myanmar around May 3rd. The cyclone will likely be named as Amphan. The Skymet Weather on Wednesday said, a cyclonic circulation has formed over the equatorial Indian Ocean and adjoining South Andaman Sea. The presence of a cloud cluster in that area suggests the formation of low pressure in the next 24 to 36 hours. Hereafter, the Arogya Setu app now made mandatory for office workers. As part of fresh guidelines rolled out along with the lockdown phase 3 to check coronavirus pandemic, the government on Friday said that use of Arogya Setu is mandatory at workplaces with employers responsible for 100% compliance. Next news comes from Indian Railways. Indian Railways has announced that it will run Shramik special trains from Labor Day on Friday to move migrant workers, pilgrims, tourists, students and other persons stranded at different places due to the nationwide lockdown that came into force from March 25th. The Railways has already run the first such train with 1,200 passengers from Hyderabad to Jharkhand at 4:50 am on Friday. The good news because of this lockdown is that for the first time in over 3 decades, snow-capped peaks of Gangotri became visible from Saharanpur as Air Quality Index AQI in the uptown dipped below 50. Now let's see who became the new competitor of JioMart, Amazon and Flipkart. The Confederation of All India Traders (CIT) on Friday announced that it will soon launch an e-commerce platform, bharatimarket.in, for retail traders across the country. Next news is non-subsidized LPG cylinder prices reduced. Prices of non-subsidized LPG cylinders have been significantly reduced by oil marketing companies (OMCs). A 14.2 kg Indian LPG cylinder will cost 581 rupees and 50 paise in Delhi, less by 162 rupees and 50 paise from 744 rupees in April. Similarly, the price of 14.2 kg Indian LPG cylinder has been cut by 190 rupees to 584 rupees and 50 paise in Kolkata, whereas in Mumbai, it has been reduced by 135 rupees and 50 paise to 579 rupees and by 192 rupees to 569 rupees and 50 paise in Chennai, according to the official Indian Oil Corporation (IOC) website. Next news is from the Council for Indian School Certificate Examinations (CISCE). New Delhi will conduct remaining papers of ICSE Class 10 and ISC Class 12 2020 examination after nationwide lockdown imposed to check COVID-19 pandemic is lifted, said an official of the council on Friday. The exams were suspended in March following COVID-19 outbreak. Now the news of satisfaction for the future doctors. All India Institute of Medical Sciences has released the AIIMS PG 2020 exam schedule on April 30, 2020. As per the schedule, the examination will be conducted in the month of June. Candidates who will appear for the exams are requested to visit the official website of AIIMS so as to check the date sheet. The official website to keep in mind is aimsexams.org. Now, prudable news for us. RBI beats US Federal Reserve, European Central Bank hands down on Twitter. Although with less monetary firepower, the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has beaten US Federal Reserve and European Central Bank on Twitter by emerging as the most popular central bank on the microblogging site. RBI's Twitter handle has 7.45 lakh followers, while the world's most powerful central bank US Federal Reserve has only about 6.17 lakh followers, and the Frankfurt-headquartered European Central Bank, the second most powerful monetary authority in the world, has 5.55 lakh followers. Next news is that state-owned Coal India Ltd (CIL) on Friday reported an 11% decline in production to 40.38 million tons in April. The company had posted a total production of 45.30 million tons (MT) in the corresponding month of the previous financial year, CIL said in a filing to the BSE. Next news is that Ramayan becomes world's most watched show and breaks TRP records with highest viewership confirmed by Doordarshan. Ramayan returned to the TV screens after 3 long decades. The epic saga's rerun brought about a smile on everyone's face, and everyone got hooked instantly. Soon, it became the talk of the town, and even the younger generation got glued to it. Well, now, there's some good news for all Ramayan fans. The mythological drama has achieved another milestone and broken new records as it has become the most watched entertainment show worldwide. Now a video got viral in Twitter. A little boy complains to Punjab cops about classes during lockdown. So the cops teach the tutor a lesson. A little boy from Punjab's Gurdaspur district complained to the police about his teacher and parents after he was asked to attend tuition classes amid the nationwide coronavirus lockdown. The boy was heading to his tuition class from home and was stopped on the way by the police. Upon being questioned, he told the cops that he was asked to attend classes during the lockdown. The boy, along with the cops, thereafter went to the tuition teacher's residence as the police officials reprimanded the tutor for conducting classes amid the lockdown. A video of the incident was shared on Twitter by a user, Gautam Trivedi, and has gone viral on social media. So let's see that video.
आप कहता
अभी आ रहे थे अभी आ रही अपनी
कौन छोटा मुंडा पूछो कि जरा ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਰਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਕਿਹਨੇ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਟਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਪੜਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਿਆਣਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹਦਾ ਜਵਾਬ ਦਿਓ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਬੱਚੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੀ ਆਏ ਇਹ ਬੱਚਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦਾ ਦੂਜਾ ਬੱਚਾ ਇਹਦਾ ਪਿਓ ਨਾਲ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਇਆ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ ਅੰਦਰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਪੜਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ
Now some sports news. Cricket Australia to work with government to prepare biosecurity plan. England tour of Sri Lanka rescheduled to January, claims SLC CEO. Don't want to leave Real Madrid, Marcelo on Juventus links. Indian Cricketers Association raises 39 lakh rupees, Kapil Dev, Sunil Gavaskar join initiative. MS Dhoni is like a mentor to me, says Rishabh Pant. Denmark's Football Association aims to resume league on May 29th. East Bengal, Mohan Bagan's foreign recruits to return home via bus ride to Delhi. East Bengal want me for next season, says Spanish coach Mario Rivera. Australia restricts use of saliva, sweat to shine ball under COVID-19 guidelines. Wimbledon Tennis Championships cancelled due to coronavirus. Euros and Copa America moved to 2021 due to coronavirus chaos. Tyson Fury could face rematch with American Deontay Wilder. COVID-19 coronavirus postpones Ireland-Italy rugby, but Leo Juventus football goes ahead. EFL ends academy season in England due to COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you for watching this video. To get such trending news, do subscribe our channel. If you liked this video, click on the thumbs up button below and share this video with your friends and families.